everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm posting this video a little late. We had to go somewhere, so I hurried up and did my Walgreens video, and now I am doing my CVS video. But I am here to share with you guys what I got at CVS. Miss Charlotte just wants to be with Mama right now, and I'm giving Graham a break, so I'm holding her. She is such a good baby. She's pretty much just quiet as long as her mama is holding her. So I am here to share with you guys what I got at CVS. I also went shopping without Miss Charlotte today. Today was her first day since she's been born that she didn't go couponing with me, which was okay because I got stuff done a whole lot faster. Yeah. So the first deal I got is the Kotex deal. Now these were 2 for $8. I used two $2 off coupons that we got from our back in June. I also had $1 off of 6 Kotex CRT, plus I had a 2 off of 2 feminine products CRT. So you guys would pay $1 for this, but then you guys will get a $2 back ECB, making this absolutely free. Plus you guys can get this to be a $1 moneymaker. You can also submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards and get points for that, but Fetch I'm not very happy with CVS because they only give you like a couple cents worth of, I mean, you barely even get any points for this. People say you guys can adjust your receipts. Yes, you can, but I don't like adjusting it. It's just too much of a pain in the butt when it should be right the first time. But still, if you guys are interested with that, now, I did the Crest Colgate completely deal. I did it 2 different ways, with one card and the other, because I still wanted to share with you guys what I got. So with the breakdown that I'm going to do, I'm just going to do it with all of them combined, but you guys can kind of see it word for word. So the Crest toothpaste right now is $3. You guys want to use $1 off digital coupon. You guys would pay $2 for this, but then you guys would get a $2 ECB, making it absolutely free. So that's if you guys do this individually, okay? The Colgate are $3.49. You guys want to use that 4 off of 2 printable coupon that was available on coupons.com. That is no longer available. You guys would pay $2.98 for the both of these, but then you guys will get a $2 ECB and a $2 ECB, making them a $1.02 moneymaker. So if you guys want to do it that way. There's also the Colgate mouthwash. This was $3.99. You guys want to use that 50-cent off coupon that we got in today's paper. Plus there is a $2.50 instant coupon that's printing off also. So you guys can stack those together. You guys would just get this for 99 cents. So that's if you guys do the deals all separately, if you don't have a CRT. Now I had a 3 off of 15 CRT. So what you guys want to do with that is you're going to do the same deal with the Colgate. So these are both $3.49. You guys want to use that 4 off of 2 coupon. You guys would get that. Then you guys also want to get 2 Crest toothpaste. These are $3 a piece. You can only use $1 for a digital. So you guys want to do that. Okay. And then you guys also will get the Colgate mouthwash, and again use the 50 cents and the $2.50 CRT. Now you also want to combine those all in one transaction and use a 3 off of 15 toothpaste, toothbrush, mouthwash deal. So you guys would do that. With that, you guys would pay $5.97 for everything. But then you guys will get $2 back with the Colgate times 2, and then you guys will get $2 back with the Crest times 2. So everything comes out to be a $2.03 moneymaker. So that is a great deal if you guys want to do that. I would definitely do that. I always say never pay for toothpaste, but mouthwash is a pretty okay deal too. So there's that. I ended up doing the All May deal because I didn't do it on one. I only did it on one card last week. But I ended up getting the All May concealer. I really like this concealer. And then I got makeup eraser sticks, which I've been actually wanting to use because I kind of botched my eyes every once in a while. But the concealer is $9.59. These little Q-tip things are $6.29. You guys want to use that $6 off CR. Now it's my cat that's crying. The $6 off CRT that we got from last week, and then I also had a 5 off of 15 All May. You guys would pay $4.88 if you guys did both of those together. Okay, but then you guys will get a $4 back ECB, making it just 88 cents. So that comes out to be 44 cents a piece, which I will take it. I think that is a great deal, and I really like this concealer, so I definitely got that deal. I ended up getting the Physicians Formula. I have yet to use this, but I'm going to use this very soon. But this is the Shimmer Strips. It's all-in-one nude palette for face and eyes, which I'm super excited for. But this was $14.99. I used a $4 off coupon from coupons.com that is no longer available. Plus, I had a 3 off of 12 Cosmetics CRT. I paid $7.99 for this, but then you guys would get $10 back, making it just a $2.01 moneymaker. I was reading in the wrong spot, but yeah, $2.01 moneymaker. That is a great deal. Now, I was going to do the Pantene, the Herbal Essence, and the Tide, but I ended up having a better CRT for the Always, so I ended up doing that way, but I still didn't want to pass up the Tide. The Tide is $4.94. I used that $3 off coupon that we got from our inserts a while back ago, or like last week, I think. So you guys would just get this for $1.94 if you guys have that. I think for $2 for Tide is a pretty good deal. Hopefully you guys are getting on Tide with that. So then the deal that I did with the spend 30 get 10 is I ended up getting the Always pads because it ended up being cheaper than getting tampons, and I have tons of tampons as it is. But these were $5.99. They were buy one get one 50% off. I used that 3 off of 2 coupon from the P&G. I also had a 2 off of 2 feminine products. I had a 2 off of 2 Always brand, and then I also had a $2 off any feminine product or whatever. So I used all $6 worth, and it all took. So I ended up doing that. I ended up getting 3 of the Pantene. These were 3 for $12. I had a 5 off of 2 digital coupon, so I used that. I also got the Herbal Essence. These were 3 for $13, and I used a 4 off of 2 digital coupon for that. I also had a 3 off of 15 shampoo and conditioner CRT, so I ended up using those with that also. So, what's going on, Miss Charlotte? What's going on? So, we got that. So if you guys add everything together, it came to $12.98. I ended up getting $10 back in an ECB. So everything came to be $2.98, or just 42 cents a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal. I mean, if you go all the way from 2 for $13 and you get it for 42 cents a piece, I think that is a pretty great deal. So I was excited to get a good deal on shampoo and conditioner. I ended up doing the all laundry detergent, and we just got some inserts, but I don't get all, so I ended up having a printable coupon that did expire today. But the all was $2.99. you guys want to use that $1 off coupon, you guys would pay $1.99 for this, but then you guys can automatically have it submit to Savings Star if you guys had it clipped to your account on Savings Star for $1. So you guys would just get this for 99 cents, and I think that is a pretty good deal for 99 cents. The next deal we got is a Softsoap body wash. Now these were $3.99. I used two 75-cent off coupons for this. I also had a 2 off of 6 Softsoap. I had a 2 off of 6 Softsoap body wash coupon or CRT. So I paid $4.48 for the both of those. But then you guys will end up getting $2.25 back each, so making it about $2 or $4.50 back for buying both of them. You guys would end up getting the final price be actually a $2 money maker. So pretty much, or 2 cent money. She's like, I don't like doing this video. I don't like it. But it ends up becoming for free. Okay, and the last and final deal we got is the Irish Springs. Now, these were $3.99 also. I used 3 $1 off coupons that we got in today's paper. I also used a 3 off of 12 body wash CRT. I paid $5.97 for all 3 of these, but then you guys would get $5 back in an ECB, making it just 97 cents or 32 cents a piece, which is a pretty great deal for body wash. And yes, that was my haul. I think I did pretty good. My grand total came out to be $1.19. $1.19. Everything went by smoothly. I didn't have any problems, which I absolutely loved. I ended up using $53 worth of ECBs, but I ended up getting back $51.50, and I know I will be receiving a $3 ECB with my beauty when I check it next Sunday, but still, everything came out to be $2.69. I got 29 items for $2.69. I think that is a great, great deal. Everything came out to be just 9 cents a piece. 9 cents a piece, which is awesome. So I hope you guys I hope you guys really enjoyed this haul. Sorry for posting it late, but hopefully you guys can save some deals and I can save some more money next week. But again, thank you guys for watching. Give this video a thumbs up so I know you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys all next week for another CVS haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.